Hey guys, Jonathan over at American Off-Road Customs. So follow me and I'll take you through what we're doing. So all this stuff over here is going on this project over there, which is a MotoBilt Bobbed Bed Conversion. So we've already removed the factory bed and cut the frame. So if you look over here, you can see the stuff we took off. So this is how much frame we take off of this thing when we do a shorter bed. So you get a very significant improvement on your departure angle, which you can see. This is pretty much where the rear is going to end, where it used to be way back there. So much better for crawling applications. And we're just getting this kind of put together. Gonna look really cool. It'll still maintain the ability to have a hitch on there. So that's one of the options for this. We're doing their riser bar on the side, which raises the bed rail up and gives you the option to put aftermarket lights, which we'll be putting in there. So when he's off-road at night, he can light up the area to the sides of him. We're doing the same thing in the rear tail lights. So he'll be able to light up their area behind him as well. Spare tire mount will go up there, so because you lose the spare tire underneath, because we cut that off, we're going to be putting it on top of the bed with their spare tire mount accessory as well. So make sure you hit us up, check out our website, see all the details on our YouTube. We'll stay in touch.